Welcome to the Uniformly Accelerated Motion Interactive Calculator, which solves kinematics problems for objects moving with constant acceleration. This calculator features a drop-down menu called Select Calculation Mode with 6 options: solve for final velocity, solve for displacement, solve for time, solve for acceleration, solve for initial velocity, and velocity without time using the equation v squared equals u squared plus 2a's. For this demonstration, I'll select solve for final velocity. The input fields for this mode are initial velocity u in meters per second, acceleration a in meters per second squared, and time t in seconds. Let's work through an example. I'll enter initial velocity equals 10 meters per second, acceleration equals 10 meters per second squared, and time equals 10 seconds. After clicking Calculate, the result value shows 110,000 meters per second as our final velocity. The calculator displays the equation used, v equals u plus at. The additional information section provides average velocity at 60,000 meters per second and displacement at 600,000 meters, giving us a complete picture of the motion. This tool streamlines complex kinematics calculations for any engineering analysis. Find the link in the description below.